before getting married emme furatamakamakas kuram mijahe kamaki thalassemia test hedito yagin kurum e kiwata hitan arado mihamelen kiyalade mi fennenin chartaddo mi chartaki thalassemia balikujja libidane haletta miharu matiga mini person A mitamini person B okay person A is pink card eko person B is also a pink card red that means no deal breaker red zone out ka hunnam misahani misalaka person A is gray card eko person B is pink card eko any white zone hama good to go you guys can proceed then misalaka etanun ekaka milibuniyo white card that means okay then in partner thalassemia test nuhedias ekam white nun card libifa iniya demihunga sehen hama thalassemia test hadagen demihunge kula hoda ekaka white card libitsa then you guys are good misalaka let's say blue kulaya pink kulaya hama red zone ekam pink kulaya yellow kulaya is also good to go mihar red kula geturun ebafene kalu kula milibeni greyaka jehunima mi baran hitamari halate dimawa kula en mi kula mi wagotaki duniyan ufamwar marufawa kujje libumge furasat hama warabbodu ehama kalu kulawas red kulawas mi avoid kurense he kula ehemme mi huriha kula migotlan hunnati mi bunani thalassemia test kihama muhimmu test eke know your color if you don't know your color go get tested